back we go to Tanay in Rizal for another adventure. This time it will be a popular conservation area, Masungi Georeserve. Today we'll be doing the Discovery Trail and garden picnic. Now let's head over to Masungi for the Discovery Trail. Hi everyone and welcome to another travel vlog from the Traveling Foxes. We're back here in Masungi Georeserve and I'm spending my birthday here. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is the right decision because it's actually really cold.
Don't need to wear shorts.
We didn't expect it to be this windy and this cold. Oh wait, we don't bring any of the snacks, that will be for later. But if you want to munch on something, you can bring, yeah.
Ay, spicy day.
Yeah. Good.
Oh no! Cold, Maggie.
Wrong decision talaga.
Shorts pa more. So I actually wore long pants because we're gonna be climbing a lot today. And they were expecting a hike, so they were wearing shorts, but I'm like, but it's freezing, so good choice. I wonder what's behind the rock. Why do you look like little chicks?
Sakit na ng ulo ko sa lamig ko.
We're gonna wait in the car, it's freezing. Waiting for Sam. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! That's why they're late, because they had to blow the balloon. Happy birthday! Fun fact, one of the first adventures of the Traveling Foxes is in Masungi around 5 years ago. Check the link above to see the full video. You're up though, you're up.
Lamig tayo. We're bored.
Pasukan tayo!
Wow, saan yun?
First time mo?
First
time on this route, actually. First time niyo, guys?
Yeah. Yabang naman nung isa dyan. Nakakainis.
Ganda umaga po.
Morning!
Balik ka na lang.
Here, right? Down?
Salamat po.
Anong feels dito, Megs?
Parang hotel sa Palawan. No? Diba?
Yeah.
Parang hindi kami mag-akyat. Pwede na kami din na lang eh.
We can just hang out here, it's fine. It's already nice.
Yeah. Wow.
You need helmet for the banyo. Before we start the activities today, we are going to get a toilet break. And it's already a little bit of a hike to start. It's like a warm-up. But it's so pretty, and that's why I'm taking a video while heading to the toilets, because it's also so nice here.
And even the bathrooms are pretty. But look, The Last of Us.
Ooh.
Wow!
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Guys, let's climb na lang na.
Let's go.
Thank you, thank you.
I've been here before. Parehas lang to ng bato natin sa Palawan. Limestone din yun at to. Madali yung natutunaw dahil sa acidity ng tubig ulan. Kaya ganito yung forma o tekstura ng ating mga bato. Nagsimulang alagaan ito nung panahon pa ng 1996 hanggang ngayon. Mahigit 20 taon na konserbasyon o pangangalaga nitong lugar. Ang inabutan dito ng Masungi bago nagsimula yung ating konserbasyon ay mga putol na puno. Dahil napasok sa mga illegal na aktibidad tulad ng pagpuputol ng puno.
Illegal logging.
When you visit Masungi, you'll become a part of the community that aims at sustaining the limestone formations and biodiversity of the flora and fauna in the area. First activity. How are you?
Okay naman.
Ang English niya ay cloud rats, kung pamilya tayo, cloud rats. Ang masayang kwento dito, endemic yan. Sa Pilipinas lang siya meron. At nocturnal na hayop siya, pang gabi lang siya.
Utik naman, ang likot ninyo po. Wish. Come on, Sammy. Oh no. Yeah. Spider Woman.
Profession.
Yeah.
Aru.
Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
Record, Chris.
Let's go!
Let's go, Chris. The financial support from your visit will help in the landscape conservation, support for the forest rangers, and other strategic planning activities to keep the geotourism operational.
This is chill. Nan? Chill, right? Sam, this is chill, right? Oh, yes. I am so happy for you. Chill. Pakulin. Yeah. Yeah, chill. Gosh, so easy.
Located near Manila, it'll be a shame if this area will be turned to anything other than a nature escape for those who want time off in nature.
The wind's actually really strong right now, and it's close, but this is an awesome spider web. Go, Megan! Core! Use your core! Mga spiders for sure!
For this part of the hike, it's called the meditation walk, because for 5 to 10 minutes we're just going to walk in silence so we could enjoy the sounds of nature and the birds. Well, that's part of nature, but yeah. What I like about Masungi is that it's like hiking in the garden. It's very picturesque. There's so much to see, and the rock formations are just so, I mean, it looks great. And you have a little bit of adventure as well. So you have the best of both worlds, and it's not super duper challenging. It's a bit uphill and downhill, and you need to be not scared of heights. You don't have to climb so high, so if you're scared of heights, it's not that high. But yeah, I think a place like this is super friendly for beginner hikers, people who just want time off the city and enjoy nature.
These are like little, you know the aliens? They're like little eggs.
What the fuck? Okay, I get what you mean though.
Right?
Like the nests.
Yes, little nests. So the question is, why do superheroes wear their underwear outside their costumes? We have many theories, and what's yours?
We should try it one time to put it to the test. What's more efficient?
Actually, that's an armor, no?
Right? Oh yeah.
Maybe it's made of steel.
No, I'm not yours.
Could
You can
be.
kick in the balls.
No,
doesn't
it's
work.
made of swan.
So, Hoy, silence is...
Sorry, team leader.
Pangilan mo na yan.
How many memos did you receive?
You have to look at the wall.
Yeah.
Mga paa, yung hindi lulusot dito. Dito pang size ng paa ko, lulusot eh, o kasya eh. Hindi na-justify yun. Ito ang alay ng arms ko.
Lagi. Look, I'm even going backwards.
Nakakabwisit. Buti nila birthday mo talaga.
Oh shit! Guys, you can slide here. Are you wearing shorts kasi?
Yeah.
Sam will slide.
Yeah. Roll!
Roll. Front
Sam
roll,
roll.
front roll.
Wait. Wait. I got stuck. Wait, I put my feet up. It's fun. Oh my god.
I wanna live your life. I wanna dream your dreams. Lick the moons, catch them stars in the night. Every superpower that is yours will be mine. I'll be that it girl, pouting mouth, crossing the line. You seem like you're the ruler of TikTok when you rock. How can you seem like you're a Wimbledon winner? I gotta say I'm a sinner. I wanna sing the melody Messina.
Your high-tech lighter. So high-tech.
I do the same, I'm Messina. I do the same, I'm Messina.
Birthday to you. Happy
Oh no,
birthday
no, no, no.
to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for watching another video from the Traveling Foxes. Hope you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can get updated in the next videos. Hope you enjoyed the sceneries as well of Masungi and hope you guys can all pay a visit one day. Cheers for now!